Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Apple Arcade gives unlimited access to 100 plus games on iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. A subscription costs $99 monthly after a 1-month free trial period. Family sharing lets up to 6 members play under a single subscription. Games download for offline play and include no ads or extra purchases. You can find Apple Arcade in the App Store tab labeled Arcade. Updates add new titles regularly and let you discover fresh experiences often. Parental controls manage playtime and restrict mature content across devices. Open the App Store and tap the Arcade tab to browse featured titles. Tap a game, select Get or Play, and download it to your device. Most games support touch controls, tilt, or external controllers like Xbox and PlayStation. Pair Bluetooth controllers in settings for consistent input across iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. Games save progress to iCloud so you can resume on another device seamlessly. Use family sharing to let up to 6 members access purchased progress and downloads. Manage storage by deleting unused game downloads from settings to free device space quickly. Turn on screen time to set daily limits and restrict mature-rated titles automatically. Cancel subscriptions anytime in the App Store or your Apple ID account settings. Keep games updated to access new levels, bug fixes, and performance improvements regularly. Check controller battery and connectivity to avoid interruptions during critical gameplay sessions. Explore genres and use search filters to find hidden gems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.